Once upon a time, a little bird and a turtle lived in a beautiful forest. They were the best of friends, always playing and exploring together. The bird loved to play and fly high in the sky, while the turtle enjoyed basking in the sun and slowly wandering the forest floor. One day, the bird found a delicious berry bush. She quickly flew to the turtle and chirped excitedly, "Come, friend. There's a bush full of the juiciest berries I've ever seen." The turtle slowly made his way to the bush, but by the time he arrived, the bird had eaten most of the berries. Feeling bad, the bird said, "I'm sorry, dear turtle. I got too excited and didn't wait for you." The turtle smiled and replied, "That's okay, my friend." The turtle reassured the bird that patience pays off and they could enjoy future adventures together, learning the joy of sharing each other's company and treats. The bird realized the importance of patience and sharing. From then on, she always waited for the turtle, and they enjoyed their adventures and treats together, teaching each other valuable lessons along the way. And so, the bird and the turtle remained the best of friends, living happily in their forest home. The moral of the story is, true friendship values patience and sharing, leading to lasting happiness and understanding.